Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So charge your battery before we continue. And after that, we can open the system menu, and to do it, you can open the Toolbox menu by pressing and holding the lower button. Then you can scroll through this menu by swiping on the screen, find the system icon and tap on it. And here, scroll through the system menu, find the more settings and tap on it. Then scroll down and look for the option called, I believe it's going to be reset. Yes, reset. Tap on it. And here we have reset all. This resets the settings, I believe. And then we have factory reset, which basically removes everything from our watch, settings and data. We want to use this option, so tap on it, then press the ground button, and the resetting process will start. Okay, and once you see the list of languages, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.